If you want to eat garlic sauce in the future, don't go out and buy it. Today, I will share with you my experience of making garlic sauce for 18 years. The method is simple, and the garlic flavor is strong. If you learn it, you don't have to go out and buy it anymore. I have prepared 1 gin of millet chili here, then add 1 gin of peeled garlic. If you don't want it to be too spicy, you can put a little less millet chili, or use merengiao to replace it. Wash it clean and dry it. Then chop them separately. If this step is troublesome, you can use a food processor to break it. If you want the chili to not turn black and bitter, after we chop the garlic, be sure to wash it with water, so that the color will be more beautiful. Then drain the water and set aside. Heat the oil in the pot. We pour in carrots, onions, and coriander. Turn on medium-low heat and let it fry slowly. Fry until the surface is golden brown, then take it out. Then pour in the garlic. Keep the fire low. Be sure to keep stirring. Avoid burning the bottom of the pot. I share the tips of cooking every day. Can you give a little red heart to encourage me? Thank you very much. Boil the garlic until slightly yellow. Then put in the chopped chili. We fry the water dry and fry the flavor. Put some salt, sugar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a tablespoon of white sesame seeds. Continue to stir it well. Finally, pour a spoonful of white wine. Our homemade garlic chili sauce is ready. We use it to make garlic eggplant, garlic seafood, or mixed rice. Mixed noodles are very delicious. Let it cool and put it in a bottle. Put it in the refrigerator to store.